K2. It's nice meeting you again on this platform. As we all know, my name is Blessing Akinga, and I'll be taking us numbers, and our topic for today in numbers is recognizing and writing numbers 1 to 40. I hope we can still remember our numbers 1 to 30 that we looked at last term. So before we begin our 30 to 40, let's remind ourselves the previous numbers we learned. Now let's start from number 10 here. As we all know, 1 and 0 is number 10. 1 and 0, number 10. Then number 11, we have 1 and 1, 11. 12, 1 and 2, 12. 13, 1 and 3, 13, and so on. And then for our number 20, we have 2 and 0, which is 20. And then 21, 2 and 1, 21, 2 and 2, 22, 2 and 3, 23, and so on. And we got to number 30, which is 3 and 0. Now that's where we'll be taking it from this morning. 30. 3 and 0 is number 30. Now number 31 is 3 and 1. 31. Number 3 and 1, 31. And the next number is number 32. Number 3 and 2, 32. The next number is number 33, which is 3 and 3, 33. And then the next number is 34, which is 3 and 4, 34. The next number is 35, 3 and 5, 35. The next number 36, 3 and 6, 36. The next number is 37, 3 and 7, 37. The next is 38, 3 and 8, 38. And then the next number is 39, 3 and 9, 39. And the next number is 40, 4 and 0, 40. Just like the way we have 20, 2 and 0, and we have 30, 3 and 0, so also is 40, 4 and 0. I hope you are following me. So we are going to count from 1 down to 40 together. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. I hope you've been following, and I hope you counted along with me. So I believe with this, when we see certain numbers like 3 and 1, we'll be able to know what number it is. When we see numbers like 3 and 5, we'll be able to know what number that is. When we see numbers like 3 and 9, we'll be able to say the number out. And then I want us to be able to practice saying these numbers by ourselves without anybody or anyone telling us the numbers. Now, last term we also looked at before and after. That is numbers that are before and after. We are still going to work on that. Let's take some examples. Now last time we said that numbers that are before and numbers in front, they are numbers on our left hand side. They are numbers on our left hand side, and then numbers that are after, they are numbers that are in front. Numbers that are in front. So let's look at the numbers that are before and after these given numbers. The number here is number 11. Number 11. Now what number is before number 11? That means what number is in front of 11? What number will you write before you write 11 when you are writing your numbers? We can refer back to our chart. What number will you write before? This is number 11. Before writing your number 11, this is the number before 11. You write your 10 before 11. Even when counting or saying your numbers, you mention your number 10 before mentioning 11. So that is the number in front of 11, number 10. Now what number is after 11? After you write your 11, what is the next number that you are going to write? You go back to your chart and check. This is your number 11. So what number is on your right hand side? What number will you write after your number 11? Is your number 12. So the number after 11 is 12. So you have 10, 11 and 12 and so on. This is number 5. What number is in front of number 5? You look for number 5 on your number table. This is number 5. What number do you write or do you say before your number 5? What number is in front of number 5? You check. We said the number on the left hand is your number that is before, and the number here is number 4. So number 4 is our number before 5. And what number is after 5? The next number you write after writing your number 5, and automatically is number 6. So number 6 is our number after 5. For number 7, what number is before 7? What number is in front of 7? Is number 6. And what number is behind 7? That is what number is after 7? Is number 8. For 3, what number is before 3? Number 3. This is number 3. And number 2 is the number in front of number 3. That is number 2 is before 3. And what number is after 3? Is number 4. Number 4. Good. So I believe we understand that perfectly. And then we also looked at taking away. Taking away. We looked at taking away, and we said taking away means to remove a certain number from a given number. If I have 5 objects or 5 pebbles and I am asked to take away 2, I have 5. This is 5 fingers, 1 2 3 4 5, and I am asked to remove 2 fingers, 1 2. So how many do I have left? 1 2 3. That is what it means to take away. And we solved some examples there, and I believe we can still remember. So let's do that briefly because we have work to do there too. Now this is 5 take away 1. We use our pebbles to count 1 2 3 4 5, and we are asked to remove 1. You cross it out. This is your 1 that you've removed. So how many pebbles are left? 1 2 3 4. So 5 minus 1 is 4, and the next one here is 3 minus 2. So you count your 3, 1 2 3, and you remove 2, 1 2. How many is left? Just 1. So I believe we are clear on that. Now I would love us to do some work in our workbooks. We all have our books. our number workbook. From page 75. Now on page 75, you are to write the numbers before and after, and you are to also solve this. You are to take away these numbers from the given numbers you have. Now here, I believe with the 1 to 40 we looked at, we are able to get it. We are going to fill in the missing boxes. We are going to fill in the missing boxes on page 76. For instance, if we have numbers 1 to 10 in this box, when you're counting or saying your numbers, we have 1. So what number is supposed to be here? Automatically is 2. That's the next number after 1. Then 3, what number is supposed to be here? 4. 5, what number here? 6. 7, the next number 8. 9, and the next number is 10. So I would love us to fill the missing numbers in these boxes. And then on page 77, we are to write these numbers on our own. We are to write the numbers on our own. And when writing these numbers, we are to say them out loud. So it will help us remember the numbers. And also on page 78, we are to write the number without the number table. Without the number table. When you write this, you go to page 78, there's no number table, so there's nothing to refer to. You are to write it on your own without looking at anything. So I believe we'll be able to write the numbers 1 to 40 on our own. Thank you very much for listening, and do have a nice day. And don't forget to bring or submit your books, that's your homework, on Friday by 1 p.m. in the school premises. Thank you.